Hi, how are you? And welcome back to my channel. My name is Gail and today, well, it's quite exciting. I picked up quite a few pieces from, when I say pieces I mean products, from Boots online, and they're all very affordable, and I'm going to be using the NYX eyeshadow palette. This is a first impression. I've already done this eye, sorry, the eye. Already done this eye. Fourth row down, and it's the kind of cooler toned brown. I'm using the MAC 239 shader brush, which is absolutely ideal for packing colour onto the lids, and it's the mid-tone shade for my complexion. Next I'm going to apply that one there. I've chosen a slightly warmer and darker shade to go into the crease, and I'm using the MAC 217S fluffy blending brush, and it's so full and fluffy and so soft for the eye area, and you can actually get a decent amount of eyeshadow on as well. Then with the darkest shade, apply it to the outer corner of the eyelids and also the crease to really get some definition. Applying a light shade to your brow bone is a great little trick for opening up the eyes and creating the illusion of youthfulness. Use the same shade for the inner corners, which will also brighten and lift your eyes. Using the Rimmel waterproof eyeliner, apply it to the waterline to add some balance to the lower lashes, and then just smoke it out using the 219S MAC brush. The NYX brow pencil is brilliant because it has a spoolie on one end and then the pencil on the other, so brush your brows upwards first, and then just start filling in the gaps or drawing in hairs. It's really natural. Finish off brows using a clear brow gel, and they won't budge all day, especially if you've got unruly brow. Rimmel's Scandaleyes eyeliner is absolutely perfect for getting a really fine line, very close, starting on the inner corners of the eyes, and keep that line as close to the eyelashes as possible for the most natural look. It's a pen liquid liner, and the nib is so soft and very precise, so it's easy to get it right the first time. And to get an instant eye lift, create a small kitten flick right at the outer corners, being sure not to draw over the crease fold, otherwise you'll get a wiggly line, especially with hooded eyes or even slightly hooded eyes like mine. Take your time. And to finish off your eyes, use a couple of coats of the Soap & Glory mascara. CYO. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Well, it's quite bright. Well, initially it was really bright when I applied it, but it blended in really well into the skin using my fingertips. So it actually gave a very natural wash, a hint of colour on the cheeks, which is really pretty. This is an Essence lip contouring pencil, which is really soft and great. No complaints at all. And then I finish off with an Essence lipstick. Lasts a decent amount of time, and again, a super bargain.